Hello Year 7, I hope you're all safe and well. I'm just doing this quick video today just to show you how to access Microsoft Teams. So moving forward now, I will begin doing some live feedback for success sessions with you. I'm looking to do them every Wednesday or every other Wednesday, alright, but once that's confirmed I will let you know in more detail. However, I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you how to access the meetings and how to get onto Microsoft Teams. So at the minute you'll be able to see my school computer screen, okay? And I'm just going to go through the process of logging onto Microsoft Teams and accessing the meeting, okay? So that you know how to do it. So first things first, I'm going to open Google. I'll let that load up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Microsoft Teams. So in the search bar, I'm going to type Microsoft Teams, okay? And then this will come up and I can go to one of the login functions. Now, admittedly, normally at this point it would come up with a login screen, okay, where you would be required, like this, to sign in using your school email address and password. Now, admittedly, because I'm already set up on this computer, I don't need to enter all the information, so I'm very quickly going to pause the video while I enter my information. But what you'd need to do is enter your school email address and your password, okay, to be able to take them through to the next. Okay, once you've signed in using your school email address and password, it will have a think a moment while it loads everything up, okay, and you should be presented with a screen that looks but a little bit similar to this. Yours won't look exactly the same as mine because obviously I'm part of lots of different classes, but you might have been added on to some different classes from different teachers. Okay, but what you will find for your English lessons is you will find a group called Year 7 English, Mrs. Hodgkinson. That's us, okay? So that's the one you want, that's the one you're going to click on, okay? And this is where some information will be about our meetings and whatnot. But for now, I've just popped in here, as you can see. As part of your remote learning, I'm going to be running some live feedback for success sessions on Microsoft Teams, where we will look back at some of the work you have completed, and you will have the opportunity to ask me questions linked to your English learning. And I've asked, please attend this meeting if you can. If you have the facilities to access the meeting, that would be really useful, okay? And I will let you know here that our first meeting is going to be on Wednesday, February the 3rd, at 1:15 at the time you would normally have English, okay? So that's one way that you can access the meeting. But the other way to access the meeting that might be useful is to click on your calendar, which is on the left over here. And when you click on that, any meetings that you've been asked, you can scroll up and down, like any meetings that you've been added to over the course of a week should all appear on here, okay? So you can see here that there are a few different meetings that I was part of this week, okay? But your screen will look a little bit like this, okay? And here's our feedback for success session. You can see it's there at 1:15 from 1:15 to 1:30 on Wednesday the 3rd of February. Okay, Wednesday the 3rd of February in case I said January earlier. And the way that you can access the meeting this way is just double click on it, find it, double click, and then there'll be a button up here that says join, okay? Or there'll be a join button on the screen. But I would say that's probably the best way to access any Teams meetings you might have, is to go into your calendar, because then you can clearly see where any meetings that you have that week, all right, you can very clearly see where they are, okay? So you'd click that, you'd press join, and then you would be in the meeting, okay? That's all from me. I just wanted to give you a quick bit of information on how to log into Microsoft Teams, okay, and how to access the meeting. If you have any questions about the process, please get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you for our first feedback for success session. Take care.